All right, welcome everyone. This is going to be your screencast. This is going to provide you the directions to complete day 9.3 chicken egg farm flow map. Okay, so let's go ahead and click on your copy. Okay, for the directions of this flow map, what you're going to do is you're going to read the description of this farm, and what you're going to do is you're going to predict what will happen to the cat population over time. Okay, and what you're going to do is you're going to track every 3 years. Okay, and you're going to put your prediction for every 3 years. After 3 years pass, what is going to happen to the population of the cats over time. Okay, so you got to make sure you read this description to correctly tell me what you think will happen to the population every 3 years. Okay, and like it says here, the first slide is completed for you. Now, where am I getting these numbers from, and how are you going to show the change, right? Because you could just write it out here, but remember, in science we have to learn how to make graphs to better show any change or any patterns or any trends. Okay, all right, so down here I have the line graph that's already started for you. If you click here, okay, if you click on the graph and come over here, you're going to click on open source. Now, when you go to open source, it's going to take you to the Excel sheet, okay, that is going to help you create your graph. Now, here is our x-axis, okay, it's the years. Right now we're at 2020. You're going to track 2023, 26, 29, 32, and 35. And you're going to put the number of cats with orange fur number here and cats with the gray fur over here. And that's going to represent your y-axis, right? The number of cats. We need to change this. Okay. All right. So what you're going to do is you're going to input the numbers of the cats with orange fur. How do you think it will change based on the pattern of the description? And what do you think will happen with cats with gray fur over time based on the description of the farm? Okay, so we should see you're putting input these, and then it will adjust your graph, and it will basically change what you see is going to happen to the the population of the cats, okay, with the two different traits. Okay, after you do so, you're going to go ahead and enter the information here. You're going to enter the information of your table, your line graph. After you are done with both of those, you're going to go back and you're going to go and complete the conclusion. Okay, you're going to read these questions here and you're going to answer using 10 complete sentences. I have another slide here if you need extra space to get your work done. Okay, so please take a time, review this video, work at your own pace because it's a lot of work, especially creating this table. And so I hope this screencast has been helpful for you guys. All right, thank you.